So this is the automatic motion sensing firing Nerf gun defense system that my dad and I built. It has a PIR, passive infrared sensor here, which detects movement. And then, yeah, the main thing, the whole thing is powered by an Arduino Uno. And then this is the MX2 text-to-speech module, which allows this to speak. And so over here we have a relay, which is like an electrical switch activated by an electromagnet, which fires up these motors like over here, which the bullet gets pushed through and it shoots it out. And then here is a servo which pushes the bullet into those two spinning wheels. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to download this piece of code over here. So this is the code in C for the Arduino. So I'm just going to download it here. Open the serial monitor.
Oh, close this.
Huh?
Chinmay, close the door.
Okay. Oh yeah.
So that's the mechanism which allows the Nerf gun to fire. Without that, the motor will not activate.
The switch over here.
Yeah, we haven't disabled it, so. Okay, ready?
So if you keep watching these LEDs over here after this is done.
Motion sensing Nerf gun defense system is now active.
Okay.
Akshay, can you come here?
Halt. Who goes there? Light and loaded. Ready to fire. Halt. Who goes there? Light and loaded. Ready to fire.
Okay.
Good.
So it worked.
Mm.
Yes, it worked. Yes, it worked.